Hello everyone, Ren here, just checking in. Today I have something special for you. I have a self-awareness exercise that I want to share. It's nothing about concentrating on your breathing, but instead you have a chance to do this self-awareness exercise, and at the same time you can admire your own manicure. So why don't we get started? Okay, this self-awareness exercise is very simple to do. I want you to open your hand and use your other hand, the finger, to trace your fingers. And during this time, just be mindful of the sensations. So like this. Trace it to the hand and then back to the other finger. You know, our hands, our palm has, I think, over 17,000 sensory receptors. So there are a lot of sensations in your hand. So all you have to do is stay at the present moment, trace your hand. You know, when our attention is focusing everything at the present moment, our mind is more focused. You know, you can continue to do this a couple times. This is very similar to be mindful or bring your awareness to your breathing. Basically, what we're doing is to bring back your attention and appreciate what is happening right now. If you notice that your thoughts is wandering to something else, just gently bring back to the present. Why this is good is because, like I said, your hands, your palm has so many sensory receptors. It's very easy for you to feel it. You know, and at the same time, a side benefit is if you have any feelings arise when you see your own manicure, just notice that feeling and continue. Anytime you wander, you can come back. And that's it. That's all you need to do. I hope you like it. And I'm going to show you some clips about how I use the plate M319 to dip my manicure today. And I think this plate is really special. There are many things that you can do with it, and I hope you like it. All right, I found this method of stamping pretty cool, so I want to share with all of you how to do it. Instead of painting your nails, you can actually use this plate. I got M319 here, and your intention is to spread the polish evenly, very gentle, and then roll it. Pretty good. You see this golden blue color. There you go. I'm gonna do a simple stamping on it. And how about this Santa Claus? Pretty good stamp. I think you can do a lot with this plate. You can keep on playing around with different color. How about straight? Let's stamp it and see. I'm here to experiment and experience today. I'm just experimenting. What if I do dots? Life is like a box of chocolate, right? You never know what you're gonna get. Okay, one clean stripe. light and even. That's pretty cool. Ah, that's pretty cool. I want to stamp this on. Yeah. Look, this is the last one. Then you can do a lot with different combination. See, what's good about this plate is you can continue to use it and don't clean up until you are finished. What do you think?